friends, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a little journaling, so thought I would journal along with you all. I recently went to our art museum in town and they had a Monet exhibit, and they had a water lily painting, but then they also had this painting, and so I picked up the card, and so I thought I would include this. And this is called The Church at Van Gogh, or however you say that. I'm sure I butchered it. But I thought I would include that in my journal page. So first off, I think I'm going to put some of this background wallpaper to the side. They're both really nice. And what I wanted to do was I don't need all of this wallpaper. Trim this down. Hope you are doing well. Continue to be super hot where you are. It is where I live, that's for sure. If you're new to junk journaling, I invite you to check out all my other videos I have on junk journaling. I have quite a few. I'm adding more every day. And then I thought I would leave this as a pocket and store the card in there. So I'm going to glue this down. This will be able to flip up. And then I'll have my card. And they're like that. I think that looks nice. So next up, I just want to add a little embellishment up here, and I thought I would use the receipt from where I bought this card, and that way I'd have the name of the museum on the page. Using up my ephemera here, you all. It's not vintage ephemera, but it's still ephemera. And I think I will pick it up though. And unfortunately, this will probably fade over time. because of the type of ink that's used. But I think that's okay. And then I think I wanted to add a sticker. So I want to decide if I want to tear this. And I don't think I do actually. There. And then I think I want to add a sticker. I'm using this sticker book, and if you've been journaling for a while, you're familiar with it. But I am going to use this sticker since it's related to painting. And I think I'm going to put that down and that over the top of it. And I meant to ink the sticker down, but I didn't. Oh well. I had one other sticker in here that might be fun to use. This one here. The letter M for museum and for Monet. He is one of my favorite painters. So it was a must do to go see this these paintings here in town, because that is a rarity. There we go. Yeah. And then on this side, I think I'll do my journaling here, or actually I might do it there. And then I did want to put this washi tape here. Well, I did not cut that very well. Oops. Alright, perfect. Better. There. Thanks. And then I have some fun little stickers here that I thought might be fun to add. They're just a bunch of different stickers. So I thought these might be fun to put in here. there is a little table, a little chair. That. Let me know what you all think of the simplicity of this page. I really enjoyed it. To me, when I'm working in my personal journal, I am striving to capture the memories via writing, and if I get some decorating done, then that's just an added bonus. But let me know what you all think. Do you all go with the really heavy decorated pages along with your journaling or instead of your journaling? I'd really like to know. And if you do struggle with writing, let me know that too. I'm happy to give you some tips and techniques on, trying to get what's in your head written down onto paper. I also wanted to just remind you all about my private junk journal Facebook group. I have the link down below, and I've also added a buy me a coffee down there. Now that I'm retired, I would appreciate you all buying me a cup of coffee to kind of help keep this channel going. I really enjoy making videos and sharing my knowledge with others. That's what I did in my career. I did a lot of coaching and teaching and training and mentoring, and I really enjoyed that, and that's what I hope to do with this channel with crafting and junk journaling. So check those links out down in my description down below. I also wanted to let y'all know that I'm working on a Patreon account or Patreon page, and I've collected so many awesome vintage junk journaling material and ephemera, and I'm going to be working on kits to put into a Patreon membership. So keep your eyes peeled for that, and I'll let y'all know about that. And I'm hoping to get back into listing more journals in my Etsy shop now that my eyes seem to be healing pretty well and heading in the right direction. So here I'm just kind of finishing up doing a little bit of inking around the different envelope and around the page edges. Well, thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will catch you all on the next video. Thanks, guys. Love you all.